In this video, I'm going to show you how to share credentials or any other items that you have in 1Password. So if you have a password or let's say a login or something that you want to share with someone, you can easily share it with anyone that you wish. So to do this, you want to first access your vault. So on the left side within 1Password, click on vaults. Find the vault that contains the item or credentials or login that you want, and once you're there, click on View Vault, and you'll be able to see all that is within the vault. So let's say if it's some password or username password or some items, whatever it is, click on it, and you will now have the option to share. And if you look to the upper right, you can see edit and you see the share button as well. So if you click on that, the cool thing is that you can share it for a certain amount of time, and you can also share it with anyone who has the link, or you can basically share it with some people and you'll be able to add their email address and so forth. Right, so that's how you can do it. And here you can see that you can share it for a maximum of 30 days. And so you have 1 hour all the way up to 30 days that you can choose to share the credentials, right? And so what you want to do is go ahead and copy the link and share it with them. And they'll be able to use these credentials to access the website, or let's say to use a credit card or to use a file or whatever it is, they'll be able to use that for a period of time. And so that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can easily go ahead and share items within a vault on 1Password. Very easy and very simple.